Hello everyone, this is Paul from Hifimax. Today I'm going to show you how to connect the backup camera here to the Android screen. This is the Android screen. But because different car, the installation might be different. So today I'm just talking about how to connect the wire and how it works. Okay, let's go. This is wire diagram for the backup camera. This is the power for the Android screen. This connect to the Android screen. And on the power cable, it have a cable camera 12 and here this one is real camera in the yellow connector. And this cable is 360 camera depth. In this picture you can see more clearly. See, camera 12 and 360 camera depth and real camera here, this connector. Okay, this cable is 5-meter video cable. Each camera have this cable just like this. You will see the yellow connector, there's a cable on each side. And this is the backup camera. This cable is the power cable for the backup camera. This is the red color, and the other cable is black color. Black color is ground. You can connect to the screw in the car, then will be fine. And the red color connect to this cable. And in the other side, this cable connect to 12 camera here. And yellow connector connect to this. And the other side connect to the real camera. Now, let me show you how it works. After you back the car, you switch the gear to R mode, right? And this power cable, it have the power. It have a 12 power from here, and the power go through this cable. And the backup camera is turned on. When it's turned on, the video signal go through this video cable and go to the Android screen, so you can see the backup camera on the screen. In this part, I will show you several cameras. You can see this camera have a connector. This connector is connected to the tailgate list, because some cars have the connector like this. And this one don't have the connector, so you are no need to connect it. And this one have a LED light here. On the back, there's 2 cables. One is red and the other one is black color. You just connect this cable to the original license line. Yeah, then you'll be fine. You might notice this cable. Because our camera, the default is have the guideline. If you no need the guideline, you can cut this cable. Then the guideline on the screen will disappear. After you connect the backup camera, you need to go to the setting. Here, camera selection. If you install the aftermarket camera, you should choose this one. If your car have the OEM camera, you should choose this one. If you install 360 camera, you should choose this. This is the backup camera. Okay. Here, I switch to the reverse mode. You can see here. This is dynamic light, and here I can control this cable. You see here, because my car also installed the front camera, so when I switch the gear to the D mode, it shows this, and I made a reverse mode. It shows like this.